Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you a valuable skill that will make file management a breeze. It's all about how to unzip files from a zip folder. If you've ever received a zip file and wondered how to access its contents, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and learn how to unzip files. To start, locate the zip folder on your computer. Once you've found the zip folder, it's time to extract its contents. To extract the file, simply right-click on the zip folder. A context menu will appear. All you have to do is to choose from the options Extract Files or Extract Here. If you choose Extract Files, you will need to choose a destination where you want to extract the files. If you choose Extract Here, the files will be extracted in the same folder where your unzip file is located. So we will choose extract here. So after clicking extract here, all you need to do is to sit back and relax while the computer extracts the files. It depends on the size of the zip folder or your computer speed. It might take a moment to complete. So let's start extracting the files. Once the extraction is finished, navigate to the destination folder you selected earlier, and you'll find all the extracted files there, ready to use. So here is mine. And that's it. Now you know how to unzip files from a zip folder with ease. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once again, thank you for watching how to unzip files from a zip folder in Windows. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more valuable content, so stay tuned. Until then, happy unzipping. See you in the next video.